Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by assessing the Durango's current exhaust layout and sound level. Measure the stock pipe diameter. Many Durango models use 5-inch or 3-inch exhaust pipes, and that determines compatible parts. Inspect whether a resonator and what muffler type are installed, and note single or dual exit tips. Record a baseline sound level using a phone or decibel meter at 3 feet while revving to 3,000 RPM so you can compare post-modification results. To increase volume and change tone, replace restrictive components with freer-flowing parts. Swap to a straight-through muffler with a 3-inch inlet for a more aggressive tone and less internal restriction. Stainless steel construction resists corrosion. Remove or replace the resonator to increase volume and add slightly more rasp, but expect some drone at cruising speeds. Upgrading to a 3-inch midpipe and a catback system increases exhaust flow and loudness while preserving throttle response and drivability. Finish with practical tips and compliance. Larger 3-inch or 5-inch exhaust tips change appearance, but most sound change comes from muffler and pipe size and internal design. Use quality clamps or have a professional weld catback and mid-pipe sections to avoid leaks. A proper hanger layout prevents rattles. Check local noise limits, commonly around 85 dB, and measure after installation to stay street legal. Consider an adjustable valve or electronic cutout to switch between quiet and loud modes and reduce unwanted drone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.